This is the Toyota Century V12, brought to you by Tannen JDM. Just going to do a nice slow walk around so you can absorb the beauty of this vehicle. Then we'll take a quick peek inside. This is the metallic blue. Pretty hard to find color. Condition is just excellent. I mean, there's maybe a small crack there, but everything else is just pretty spectacular. This is for sale on our website today, July 23rd. Needs absolutely nothing. Tires are a little bit old, from 2017. However, they have very good tread depth, 9/32. So they were replaced and then the car was probably stored. Beautiful gray cloth interior. I mean, everything is cloth. I'll start it up in a second here. This car is made for this seat passenger. The rear doors have soft close. So they close like the LS 430s, 460s. Got the privacy curtains here. This is where the rear seat passenger puts their feet if they want to stretch out. And then you've got a rear entertainment system here, screen, remote. Your rear seat controls are here. You have all your seat movement, climate control, audio, your tape voice recorder. If you want to insert a tape and record important notes, you can do that right there. And then both left and right rear passengers have heated seats as well as vibration or massage. But overall, I mean, this thing is, it's even in the sun, it's just nice. The paint is awesome. I did a quick buff on the hood and the trunk. Nothing too crazy. Listen to this V12 start up. That is awesome.